Program Specialists at MPI. Today I'm joined with Keagan and Haislynne, and we are going to kick off our Pie Day celebration by making
Oreo Pie.
Pie Day is represented on March 14th.
And it was founded in 1988 by Larry Shaw. And pie is a number that goes on forever. Before we get started, I'm going to tell you all the ingredients you're going to need. You're going to need a melted stick of butter, a measuring cup, a pie bowl, a regular size bowl, Oreos, Cool Whip, a whisk, and a rolling pin.
And you also need chocolate pudding.
And some milk.
Now we're going to start with putting Oreos in a Ziploc bag and crushing them with force.
Okay girls, what do you think is the best force to use to crush these Oreos?
Our hands and the rolling pin.
Your hands in the rolling pin, what do you think, Haislynne?
Our hands in the rolling pin.
Alright, well let's see how well it works.
I put 15 Oreos in my bag.
Next, we're going to add the Oreos and the melted stick of butter into the pie.
Good job.
Only add about half the Oreos in the bag.
Alright, go ahead, Haislynne.
Mix it and push it down with your hands.
Okay, Keagan, I see you pressing. What are you using there to press down the Oreos to make it nice and flat?
Force. Now you're going to put your crust in the fridge and wash your hands. Next, you're going to be adding your Oreos inside of your Cool Whip.
This is a heterogeneous mixture because you can separate it.
Milk.
Next, we're going to be making the instant pudding. You're going to add the pudding in here, and then you're going to add 3 cups of milk.
This is a homogeneous mixture because you can't separate it.
As you're stirring, do you notice your pudding starting to get nice and thick and almost like a gel?
Mm-hmm.
Why do you think that is?
Because it has gelatinous starch in it.
Once your pudding is nice and thick, you're going to pour it onto your crust.
Next, you're going to add your heterogeneous Cool Whip mixture on top.
Once you're done, your pie should look like this.
Next, if you want to, you can have the rest of your crushed Oreos on top for decoration. At the end, your pie is going to look just like this.
All right, before we go, the girls are going to talk one more time about Pie Day and what it is.
Pie Day was founded by Larry Shaw in 1988.
The first 3 numbers of pi is 3.14.
Thank you for watching. Keep an eye out for our next video.
That's where we're going to use fractions to cut our pies into equal parts.
And remember to tag us in all of your Pie Day activities on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. And also remember,
Science is everywhere, even in your kitchen.